Hey guys, Quinn the Eskimo. Kind of like in a back room of this winter quarters. It's just a little blind built up. I'll just show you around a little bit. Just got about 13 inches of fresh snow. We got a little sleet and snow right now going. There's already 10 inches on the ground, but that's it down there. That just drops off down into the valley. Sometimes moose walk right across there. But yeah, so I'm gonna cook something up. I think what I might do is I might try my gas stove with the cozy on it. I want to make sure the cozy doesn't burn. Has it been out all night? It's 10 degrees Fahrenheit during the day, 2 o'clock in the afternoon. But yeah, man, I'm gonna cook something up. I'll do some alcohol cooking down there too. But you got Nora red beans and rice. Got my Swedish canteen, one of my spoons, and my canteen cup. I'll get back to you. Light this up, guys. Pretty cold out. Put a little water in there. Put this on there. Not really stable. See what happens. There we go. Pathfinder top on there. I'm gonna let that get hot and I'll get back to you, man. Little spot and log in there to cook. I gotta be careful. This place goes up. The whole winter quarters will go up. You got the backside of a wood over there. But yeah, man. Just want to try the cozy out. Again, yes, it's cold, but was it sitting out? No. You could tell it's still kind of snow. I didn't do it, but I do have hot hands in the bottom of there, but it's not activated. So, just wanted to show you. That's what we're having. Sitting in the backside of winter quarters, this little blind. And again, that's the little valley. But I'll get back to you when the water starts getting hot. And again, it's 10 degrees. Cool, man. US cup, Pathfinder top, Swedish canteen, little stove, old German backpack. Could have used that stabilizer, but I wanted to try the cozy to make sure it was okay. I don't anticipate any problems in the cold weather, so I'll get back to you. We'll cook some food up and a little canteen cup Tuesday. And yeah, it's cold out here, man. Yeah, so I got my Swiss Army hat, Swedish overcoat, mountain overcoat, cold weather, just a shell, Swedish Army liner, Swedish wool gaiters, Belgian Army pants with Swiss Army liners or long johns, little hot hands inside boots, Cheap Pitasa boots, but they work fine, man. And I got my different coats and jackets on there. Little Cabela's, something against my body. Yeah, I'll get back to you. Still burning down there. Not making a lot of noise, you know, it's cold out here, so we'll get back to you when it's boiling, and I'll throw the food in there. We'll eat up. Canteen Cup Tuesday up in the north. This is not the 80K, this is White Mountains. But there we go, man. So, take care. I'll be back. I'm gonna dump about half this in there. I think that'll be good, man. Okay. Yeah, let's let it cook a little longer. It is doing a trick, but it's slow. And again, I did not put the heater inside that cozy, which it could. I'll let that go a little bit. Won't be any hot spots, so it should be pretty good, man. It's gonna taste good in this cold weather. But I got to be careful. I literally take my, I'm doing this with my phone, put it against my body. It just sucks. This cold weather just sucks the battery right out. But yeah, man, it's good. I'm gonna eat it. A few minutes, let it cook a little bit, let it settle, and we're cool. And that's fine. They're doing good, man. Up here in the White Mountains. Yes, sir. I could have used my snowshoes, but I had so much stuff in my truck. Man, but that's fine. Canteen Cup Tuesday. My battery went dead out there, so I came back here. Paulie Wood over there. Got my stuff here. Got my, yeah, you can't see it too good, but let's eat it, man. Let's get the, I don't want to block Paul, but I'll go for a little while.
Get out of the way.
But there it is, man. Looking good. Everything worked out pretty good. Nice, man. Sit down and got a fire over there. Wood stove here. Cup cooking tea. But yeah, we're doing all right. So, Canteen Cup Tuesday. Mixed bag. The fire there. Good snow. So, all right. That's Paulie Wood.
Nice hot coffee I got going here.
Yeah. See, it's you know, we're just kicking back here, man. Beautiful, man. So
It's about 15 degrees out.
no, it's 10.
10?
I checked it. We got to be accurate here now. You know, we got to look like, you know, tough old guys. You know, which we are.
Well, it's not really cold in here. Actually, it feels
But
cold.
it's nice in here. We got a fire there, fire there. We're good.
Show them the fire out there. Show
Yeah, yeah. Going out there. So you walk between the wood stove and this, and it's quite good. But so it's Quinny Eskimo. Everything's good. Thank God for another day.
Martin Luther King tomorrow.
Tomorrow's Martin Luther King Day, and it's for our friend Joe too.
Joe Flaherty.
Joe Flaherty, yes sir, and Shane too. We lost a buddy, Shane.
Shane,
Andy, yeah, Jay.
Jay.
But yeah, man, what are you gonna do? So Take it easy.